What's going on? Social media, whatever I end up putting this on. I don't know if it's gonna be just YouTube or just TikTok or both. I don't know. So I'm filming landscape. Just wanted to give a quick rundown on the car. I know I posted a video of it running already before. On TikTok I posted a video of me driving it already. YouTube I have not really. So we're gonna give a quick rundown on that. And I will insert a couple of clips of me driving it and doing a quick little donut. It is not a full drift, and I'm not claiming it's a full drift, it is a donut. But the car is properly running. So I'm gonna set this up here so I can get a good shot, show you guys a startup, cold start, make sure I crack my garage because I don't want to die. It is a nice and beautiful shitty day in Colorado today, but my car runs, so it is still a little bit rough on cold start. Once it warms up, it's fine. So, as we can see, no more misfire. We've got a couple of vacuum lines to still get right. I got a hose I need there. Fuel pressure regulator needs the hose that comes up over here. It is running, so I'm happy and ecstatic about that. Some of the hiccups that we have had, though, is I ordered a shitty valve cover gasket, and that has failed already after half of a mile, so I'm in the midst of getting a refund on that, and I do have a new one ready to go on. Also, I was having a real big hiccup with the coil packs. I ordered some Amazon ones just to get the car going, and they were even shittier than I was expecting them to be, if I'm being honest. So I got new coil packs, but I could only find coil packs for the M52. So that means, even though I love my purple magnesium cover that I painted and spent lots of time on to make it look pretty, I had to swap back to the purple one so I can use my coil packs because all I get locally was M52. So it's a little bit of an annoyance, not really a setback, but I got a new valve cover gasket anyways, so I had to take it off. So it is what it is at this point in time. I'm just happy that the car is running. No misfire. I did a couple skids yesterday in it, and it was fantastic. Didn't skip a beat. It was super awesome. So that means next will be working on the interior. I've done a few small things on the interior. I do still have a mess back there I gotta get cleaned out, but I got the seats and the steering wheel, and that's it. I have panels to go there and a gauge pod because my coolant temp sensor does not work on this, so I have an aftermarket coolant temp sensor I'll be putting in. I have block off for this, and this, and I gotta do the whole wiring for the headlights, the windshield wipers, the brakes, brake lights, and then running taillights themselves. So it is slowly coming together. We're almost there. I should make it by the 22nd. So to my few followers and the few people that come across this, if you guys are going to be at Slush at PPIR May 22nd and 23rd, I will be there. Please come say what's up. I will be driving. I'm probably going to end up doing Saturday, seeing my mom is coming from Florida, my sister is coming from Michigan to watch the event. So I'm probably just going to do Friday. That way it saves me a little bit of money on tires, and I can spend some time with them, not just at the racetrack. So probably going to drive Saturday only, take my mom for a ride, hopefully my sister, and hopefully it'll be a giant good time. They can come finally meet my daughter, who is now officially 3 months old. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Put in the grind. I haven't really been filming a whole lot of stuff that's been happening just because the annoyance with the misfire, with the leaking valve cover gasket, and then I also had a bad injectors, which made its own misfire. So it was an annoying, stressful kind of couple of weeks. But we are to the point to where we are just about ready for drift season. I already ordered some tires, so that's where we're at. Also, I got rid of the terrible fender. I found some facelift fenders. So I got rid of the stupid flare. I hated it so much. I am going to be lowering my car a little bit more and probably rolling these out until I can afford to get the over fenders. But I also hate the flares on the back. But we're getting there. Slowly but surely. Oh, also I have the whole front end on now. That missing grill piece is in the back of the car. It fell off when I was doing a donut yesterday. But coming together. Thank you to the few of you that continuously comment and like and watch my videos. I really appreciate that. Hopefully it's going to be a super amazing spring and summer. Hopefully drift season is awesome. I'm not doing a whole lot of events, but Slush and Ascend I'm definitely doing, and I do plan on going to No Coast this year. So thank you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my little bit of an update. Trying to keep it short because the short videos seem to do better than the long videos.